today सुन रहा है ना तू from Ashiki 2. Today I am using my electric guitar. However, you can surely use your acoustic guitar. So bring on your acoustic guitars and join me. Let me show you the intro. The strings which you need to strum is 5th, 4th, 2nd, 3rd. That's the sequence. And it's 4th string, 2nd fret, and 2nd string, 1st fret. So the first part is 5, 4, 3, 2. Now you just need to add another finger, the ring finger, to the 5th string, 3rd fret. So it sounds like 5, 4, 3. All together. 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3. Now for the next section, you just need to slide 2 frets ahead. So 1 and 2. Now play 5, 4, 2, 3. So all together it will be 5, 4, 2, 3. 5, 4, 2, 3. So the ending is a bit different. If you know hammering, it is it's with the 4th string, you need to hammer on the 2nd fret. Okay, so it's like strum the string, place your fingers and pick it up. So the next portion is that is 5th string, 3rd fret, and then 5th string open. So in total it will be strumming. We use 2 types of strumming here. One is only the down strums, and the second one is a bit different. Let me show you. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. There are only 4 chords in this entire song. Those are A minor, E minor, F major, G major. However, I like to play G major in its 2nd position because it's similar to F, just 2 frets ahead. Whichever you like. Ashiki 2.